Hey again everyone, and welcome back to another drawing your request video. Just like the video before the last one, I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this one. And sorry if I sound a little bit different. I had a slight fever and stuffy nose earlier, but it's slowly going away, so I'm sure I'll feel better soon. But yeah, like always, get back and relax, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll make some comments every now and then throughout the video if I need to talk about something. Since this is the amazing art style of Across the Spiderverse, I'm drawing some slight details on Hobie's face. One comment I do want to make is how Hobie's character was throughout the entire story of Across the Spiderverse. He looked like a rebel, he acted like a rebel, and I loved his character, his personality. His voice actor did a great job, and yeah, I just really loved this spider character. Of course, since he goes by Spider-Punk, he's designed with punk-like clothing, all included with a sleeveless jacket and a shirt with some holes in it. Talk about looking like a badass. And that is Hobie Brown, aka Spider-Punk drawn. On to the next drawing. Something I will say is, while I've not seen most of the Rocky Balboa movies, I have seen and heard about the first one, especially for the theme song for when Rocky is training to become a better fighter. I had originally picked a reference picture of Rocky with his arms down, but I instead picked one where he flexed his muscles, since that's very iconic for his character. Of course, Rocky isn't Rocky without his muscles, so I'm drawing in the muscle details to show his strength. And with that, that is Rocky Balboa and drawn. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I again apologize if I sound slightly different. I'm sure I'll be feeling a bit better soon. But yeah, like I always say, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more. I'll catch you next time. Bye.